Miramar this morning and we came over to the Palms of Destin. I guess it's Miramar / Destin. We're right in between the two, but it's right by the Miramar beach access. So I figured today would be a fun video to take you guys to the coffee shop with us to get some computer work done. And then we're gonna go for a little beach walk and definitely gonna bring you guys along for that. So we have actually been to this coffee shop a few times and it's really nice in there, but it's a hidden gem because it is inside of this little hotel condo over here, and it's a really good environment or atmosphere for coffee. It's not like a Starbucks or anything like that. It kind of feels like you're just sitting in a living room because they have cozy couches and it's kind of darkly lit in there. Darkly, is that a word? That's not a word. Dark lit in there. And it's just a really good coffee shop. So we're going to try to start featuring some of our favorite places around 30A and Destin and Panama City Beach so that you guys can get to know the area a little bit better. But first up, the Palms of Destin. We are all done working at the coffee shop and it was actually a really good latte. We got the vanilla latte with oat milk and it was actually really toasty. It was very hot, but it was really good. I'd probably rank it my second favorite latte, I think. Turbo's probably my favorite.
That's good.
And then this one's really good. Highly recommend. Now off to the beach for a little walk.
fragile space in a single sail. White rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us in the waves. No need to behave in the heart